In this video, I've got another update for you on my latest affiliate marketing website, bestroofbox.com. I'm going to be sharing with you the site's latest earnings and traffic figures, as well as going through some of the work I've been doing on the site, including adding a logo, doing some more SEO, and making the site a little bit more friendly for mobile. If you've not already been following everything that I've been doing on this affiliate marketing website, including creating the site, optimizing the site, adding content, promoting it, and all that stuff, then be sure to check out the playlist that I've created. I'll put a link up now, and you'll also find a link in the description. It's got all the videos in there, so if you haven't seen them, I suggest you start at the beginning. I think you're going to enjoy it. But anyway, let's get on with the latest update. Hello, it's Alex here from WP Eagle. Hope you're all well. So let's jump straight into the latest earnings report, and I'm pleased to say the site has generated its third sale now. Just the other day, got some commission on some trim polish, which I think came from my article all around cleaning your roof box, where I include links to polish and all that kind of stuff to make your roof box nice and shiny. The great thing is, because we've hit free sales, I received the email from Amazon confirming that my account is fully approved and I'm a fully fledged Amazon associate. So let's have a look at Google Analytics, and we can see that traffic is still pretty steady. I think it's increased slightly, but nothing too major to speak of just yet. It's just ticking along at around 30 visits per day. So let's go and take a look at the site. I've been doing quite a bit of work on it, including adding a logo. You'll see it at the top there, looks quite nice. So the way I put the logo together was I purchased a vector template from iStock, one which had a nice car with a roof box on top. I then dropped it into Canva, added some text, and yeah, job done. Had a logo created. You can easily add a logo to your site by going into Appearance and then Customize, and then into Site Identity, and in there it's easy to upload your logo, and you can also add a favicon and all that kind of stuff too. After I'd added the logo, I wanted to make sure that everything was kind of on brand, as it were, so I went through and just tweaked a few buttons and other bits and bobs just to make sure they were all using that lovely orange colour that's featured in the logo and on a few other buttons around the site. So that's all nice and consistent now, and I think the site's looking really good. Other little tweaks to the style and formatting. I bolded up a few words on the homepage, some of the words that I want to actually rank for on Google, but also because it makes the site just kind of look nice and makes the text pop a little bit more. Oh, and by the way, I've updated the templates over on wpeagle.com. So if you go to the blog post, which is all around this video, I'll put a link in the description and up in a card. If you go to that blog post, you can download all of my Elementor templates, including the homepage, so that you can use them on your site. Another thing that I did regarding images and the logo in particular was I've added a plugin called Retina 2X, which allows you to add Retina images, which is great for people that are using iPhones or Macs, which have got the high resolution screen. All you need to do is create two images. So for example, on my logo, I created two exactly the same images. One, however, is twice as big, and it ends at 2x in the file name. And if you upload that one as well to your media library, this plugin will automatically use that high resolution logo when people are accessing the site from a high resolution display. So yeah, it looks nice and crisp. I've also been doing a little bit of SEO, including going into the categories, the blog categories, and making sure that they were nicely optimized. So setting a page title, setting a meta description, and basically just using Yoast to make sure that they were nicely optimized for search engines. Another bit of SEO that I've been doing is setting up some snippets on the content. So a snippet is when, for example, someone types a question into Google and Google presents the answer actually on the Google search results page. Now, I've been speaking to Carl, I don't know if you remember Carl. He won the Income School competition. He got a lot of free consultancy on his affiliate marketing websites, and he's been achieving great success with snippets. And his approach is that, for example, if you've got a post around a question, you put the question within the post in a normal font, and then you put the answer to that question in a bolded font, and hopefully that's the bit that Google is going to use as the snippet. Now, I've not seen any snippets appear from my site just yet on Google, but of course I will keep you updated as and when they start working. Final thing that I want to share with you today regarding changes to the website is I've added a little Swipey icon above the tables. So what do I mean by that? Well, basically when you're looking at the site on a smartphone, The product tables that I've been using, they're not that great, if I'm honest. And it's a kind of a general problem with tables in terms of how you format them to fit on a mobile screen. And with the plugin that I'm using, basically all it does is allow you to swipe the table left and right to kind of scroll through the data. Now, it's not that obvious that you can do this, so I thought I needed to make it a little bit more obvious. So I've simply added a little icon, as I say, of a finger and the words, swipe the table above each table. And using the Elementor responsive settings, I've set it so that that only shows when someone is actually viewing the site from a mobile phone. I think it looks okay. And I think it's going to help people engage with those tables when they are viewing from a smartphone. As well as doing all that stuff, I am, of course, regularly adding content and creating Pinterest images, which I'm pinning over on Pinterest. I've not really seen much of an uplift in terms of traffic from Pinterest just yet, but it is early days. And of course, I will do an update video on all that stuff really soon. So that brings the end of this video. I'd love to know how your affiliate marketing website is going. Do leave me a comment below. I read all the comments that I get and I'll try to reply to as many as I possibly can. There's a couple more videos that have appeared on the screen now. They've been chosen specially for you, so I hope you enjoy them. If you're not already subscribed, be sure to click on the eagle. If you'd like to check out my vlog channel, then click on my face. In fact, I uploaded to it just the other day. Yeah! So, until next time, bye for now.